Hello and welcome to Afro Entertainment. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and share this video. Hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. When death strikes hard, people always look for someone or something to blame. This is the sad reality that we have to accept. The mayor of Johannesburg showed no sign of health complications and has a great leadership personality to take Johannesburg to another level. Unfortunately, his life had to be cut short by a tragic car accident that happened a few hours after he parted ways with Ramaphosa. ANC is on a mission of restoring peace and trust in the angered masses around townships and let them vote them in power. The mayor was fulfilling his duties when the campaign that he attended led to his death later on that day. As the leader of the nation, you should always lead by example. People always expect the good from you. You should not on a single day disappoint or mislead the nation. This is the duty of the leaders that they were sworn to when they were put in power. President Cyril Ramaphosa has made a huge mistake while he was visiting Soweto to address the issue of electricity and other several matters which could impede the Soweto resident in voting for the ANC again. He was spotted giving an interview without wearing a mask. This is surprising as he is the first person who called for people who do not comply with the COVID-19 regulations to be arrested. It did not matter if Ramaphosa had to take off his mask while he was giving the speech. The fact remains that he was around people and he could have easily been infected or infect others. The severity of the disease is undermined severely, and this is saddening and shocking. As the president, you should always obey the rule and remind the people of the fatality of this pandemic. Another news, the elections have arrived and the political parties are now showing care towards the citizens. People know that political parties only care about their needs and demands only when the elections are approaching. Almost 4 years without checking on whether they live in an adequate environment, have access to water and proper sanitation. This is the philosophy and the culture of the ruling party ANC. People have opened their eyes and they say enough is enough. The strategic plan of only going to the ground when the elections are approaching has frustrated the residents of Soweto, who lived for a long time without electricity. Ramaphosa and his squad have been heavily insulated and blocked from campaigning freely in Soweto by angry residents. Thanks for listening, and please do well to leave your comments in the comment section.